In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record multiple screens with Loom. If you work across more than one monitor and want a clean, simple way to show different screens in a single recording, this walkthrough will guide you through Loom's built-in approach and how to make it look seamless. Start by heading to Loom's login page and sign in to your account. Once you're in, open Loom. You can use the desktop app or the web experience. Both follow the same flow. On the home view, click New Video. This brings up your recording options. Choose screen recording so Loom focuses on what's happening on your display rather than just your camera. Next, you'll be asked what you want to capture. Select entire screen. If you have multiple monitors connected, Loom will show you a preview for each one. Pick the monitor you plan to use as your main stage. This is the screen your audience will see throughout the recording, so choose the one with the most space or the one that's easiest for you to arrange content on. Now, start recording. Loom gives you a quick countdown so you can get your cursor in place and take a breath before you begin speaking. From here, the key to covering multiple screens is simple. Bring whatever you want to show onto the screen you're recording. Drag apps, browser tabs, and files from one monitor to the selected monitor as you talk through them. If you prefer not to physically move windows, you can switch between apps on the recorded monitor using your operating system's normal app switching, keeping all the action on that one captured screen. As you transition, narrate what you're doing so viewers can follow along. For example, say you're pulling a dashboard in from your second monitor, then pause a beat while you drag it over. Keep your cursor movements intentional and avoid quick flicks that can be hard to track. If you need to compare two windows, tile them side by side on the recorded monitor so your audience sees them together without you bouncing back and forth. This method is best for simple workflows where you want to feature different apps or windows that usually live on separate monitors. It keeps your recording smooth, avoids confusing viewers with abrupt context switches, and produces a single, polished video without extra setup. When you're done, stop the recording and let Loom process the video. You'll get a shareable link and the ability to trim any awkward transitions. That's it. With Loom's screen recording and a little window choreography, you can confidently showcase content from multiple screens in one clean, easy to follow recording.